Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve Wi-Fi is not connected automatically in your Windows 11. So to resolve this problem you can try one method and comment this method work for you or not. So click on start and search here services, open services. Now here allow WLAN auto config, right click on it, properties, and make sure startup type is selected automatic. If it's disabled or manual, so just you have to select here automatic, then apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. So this way you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.